Alright, yo, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about why you shouldn't give a fuck about what people think about you and why you should just do. Feel me? And just do y'all. Like, this is no script. This is no, I didn't write nothing down. It's been like the past couple of days I've been thinking about, like, I just wanted to talk about this. Alright, so you shouldn't give a fuck about what people think about you, bro. Feel me? You gotta just do you. It sounds so cliche and so like oversaid that it's probably just going over your heads. Feel me? But that shit is the truth, bro. You shouldn't give a fuck about what no one says. I just want to get straight into like the examples and stuff like that, because like, fuck all the other shit. But like the example is like, if someone's telling you you can't fucking do this and it's something that you really want to do, like a goal or like a dream or like whatever, don't let their lame ass talk you out of it, or don't let their lame ass energy rub off on you and make you not want to do the thing you said you wanted to do. You feel me? Like, that's like some evil ass shit. Like stay away from people like that, where like, what I'm saying, like from personal experiences, I had not mad people, but just like a certain like a handful of people telling me bullshit like, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't, nah, you shouldn't do this, I think you should do this. Like trying to like really just, they're trying to instill their dumbass program onto me on some fucking weird shit. Cause like, you're like, what you should say to like people like that? All you gotta do is say, like, the only thing you gotta say to people like that is like, just because you failed doesn't mean I'm gonna fail too. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all you gotta say for real. Cause like, at the end of the day, they're just projecting their failure onto you. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're like, nah, you shouldn't do that because when I did it at your age, like, it didn't really go out the way it needed to go out. You know what I mean? And then like, I had an example like that in real life, like not too long ago, and that shit got me tight, bro. Like, that shit got me tight, cause it was like, it's like, yo, bro, like, you failed, like, you failed because you stopped trying. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm gonna keep trying regardless. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like all these cliche ass like things to say, but it's the truth at the end of the day. It's like Doug said, he's like, why not risk life if it's gonna keep going? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's a bar, bro. That's real life. I never really looked at it like that until like probably like recently, because it's like a meme now. So yeah, I'm a bot, bro. Like, I really just forgot what I said. It was some real shit too, but I'm tight that I forgot what I said. Like, that's why I gotta like, script my videos out and shit. And like, it's like, bro, like that's something I can talk about right now. Look, like, you gotta just keep trying. Like, you're first. Like, say if you want to make music, you know what I'm saying? Like, I downloaded Band Labs like the other day. You know what I'm saying? Like, my first, my I was like fucking around with the buttons and stuff like that, and like the beat that I made was like trash. It was like garbage. You know what I'm saying? It was kind of funny, but it was like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta like learn how to take L's. Like, fuck them dumbass haters and shit like that. People are always gonna clown you and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta just persevere and just like cut the noise out, stay locked in on what you gotta do, and we're like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't even pay no mind to like people like that, because like they just trying to mooch off your energy and steal what you got. They see your potential, so they don't want to tell you shit. Or like some evil ass people. Like, stay away from people like that, because like, in my experience, I've experienced like a handful of people like that, and it sucks to say, but it's like, it's the truth. Everyone goes through it. You know what I'm saying? But like, you listening, you know what I'm saying? Just like, keep your eyes peeled from people like that, and like, word, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to see y'all like doing good in life, because like, that's what I want out of my life. So it's like I'm just kind of vlogging my personal experiences and stuff like that, and just trying to help people out at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like word, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, or like, that's the video done. You feel me? I can click off of this right now, but I'm gonna start yapping a little bit more. No, Lord. I'm lying. I'm about to just cut it right now. But nah, yeah. Video done. Feel me? Stay tuned to my next videos and stuff like that. And like, word. Alright.